Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you a super easy way to get a free $100 Shein promo code. This method is quick and simple, and you'll have your promo code in just a few minutes, so stick around to see how it's done. First, head over to escapon.co/Shein, or scan the QR code displayed on the video with your smartphone camera to enter the website. Once you're on the site, the first step is to enter your email address. This is crucial because your $100 promo code will be sent directly to your inbox, so be sure to enter it correctly. I'm typing in my email now so you can follow along and see exactly how it works. After entering your email, the next step is to choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device. Since I'm using an Android phone, I'm selecting that option and hitting the Continue button. It's important to pick the correct device since the process might vary slightly depending on what you're using. The site will now start generating your promo code. Don't worry, this only takes a few moments. It's one of the fastest ways to get $100 off your next Shein purchase. Now, your promo code is almost ready, but there's one last step to complete. To confirm that you're a real person and not a bot, the site will ask you to verify yourself by downloading 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are always free, so you don't have to worry about any costs. You can choose any 2 apps that are available, there's no need to pick the same ones I'm using. Sometimes, an app might not download properly, so if that happens, just select a third app as a backup. I'm downloading my second app now, and once both apps are installed, you'll need to open and use each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to complete a quick survey or sign up, so if that happens, just follow the instructions to make sure the verification process is successful. Once you've run the apps for the required time, go back to your email and refresh the page. Your $100 Shein promo code should be waiting for you in your inbox.